Some people formed utopian communities designed to create a perfect society.
New utopias experimented with new ways of organizing family life, ownership, and work.
The Shakers is a society of believers in Christ. They shake their bodies during worship.
Easter US arrived from Great Britain in 1774 led by Anne Lee.
They lived simply and believed millennium would come soon.
The group declined in 1860, did not marry, and had no children.
The Mormons were members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints.
Founder Joseph Smith claimed divine assistance helped him find and translate buried golden plates of religious teachings.
Smith published his translation as the Book of Mormon.
It attracted many converts.
Hard work and community was emphasized.
They practiced plural marriage, which angered many non-Mormons.
Often opposition led to violence.
In 1844, Carthage, Illinois, a mob killed Smith.
Brigham Young took leadership and crossed thousands of followers across the Rocky Mountains, Mexico at the time, which is today's Utah.
Transcendentalism was a belief that people can transcend or rise above material things in life to reach a higher level of understanding.
Influenced by German philosopher Immanuel Kant.
Believed human beings could reach perfection as they acquired knowledge of God, themselves, and the universe.
Ralph Waldo Emerson, Henry David Thoreau, Margaret Fuller.
Many became Unitarians, rejected most Puritan beliefs such as predestination, believed people could become perfect.
Brook Farm was the most famous utopia, ended due to a fire.
The
End.